Because during the pandemic, I have seen my friends who are in the hotel industry who are like general managers. In hotel industry, huge hotel, they work for 15, 14, 13, 20 years. People lost their job. They have dedicated their life. End of the day, they itself know that their management have no money to pay their salary next month.
Mm-hmm.
So end of the day, when a company can't pay you salary, what can
Mm-hmm.
they do? They will
Yeah.
once the companies close, the
Simply they'll
offices
request the staffs to leave or
cannot.
quit the job. Right?
Never ever. Me work in the healthcare, we never saw a drop down in patients.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there are days where you may not have a full room, full occupied hospital. Let's say you have 60 beds, you may not have 60 out of 60, you may have 30 out of 60, 20 out of 60, but still, the people come, patients come, and you don't see a drop there. So, biomedical engineering, it's in the medical sector. So, as long as you're in the medical sector, you will never lose a job. But if
Okay.
you do, I'm not criticizing other. I pray for God never ever another pandemic should come, and no one should ever lose a job, because losing a job is not an easy thing. Because tomorrow you lose today, you can't get another one tomorrow. And not
Mm.
only that, job, when you go to work is your second family. It's your family. You have a lot of friends. You have many people who you eat together. Who basically we spend more time at work than we spend time at
Spend
home.
at home. Yes, true. That's
So
true.
there you make family. There you have your friends. There your family too. So when you lose that family, you have that. You know you will have a very hard time overcoming. Okay.
Mm.
So that's a hard time, because I know that when some of my colleagues who work with me, when they left, you miss them.
Yes.
They are not blood related or anything, but you miss them.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah, you miss them. So that issue there. And biomedical engineering is in the healthcare sector. It's not like even the construction sector was affected during
Yeah.
pandemic. You can't do
Mm.
construction.
Everything
So
was stopped, right, due to this pandemic and all, right?
yes, civil engineers, electrical engineers, everyone was. So which engineering can use? The engineers in the medical sector.
Mm-hmm.
So biomedical is in that field. So there's nothing to worry about, whether if it's war, whether if it's pandemic, whatever the disaster happens, as long as whatever happens, end of the day, they have to come to an hospital. So
So
hospitals,
whoever in the healthcare sector, they don't need to lose hope. They can, whether they are studying, they can continuously study. Whether they are working, they can continuously work. No one needs to lose hope, right?
yeah, even in the companies, because as long as the company stays alive, they will be able to provide the hospital whatever the raw materials need. Raw
Supplies.
materials in the sense I'm talking the equipments, consumables. The companies have to stay intact. So the companies also will survive. The hospitals also will survive.
Hospital, definitely.
So people who study in the education sector, for the education also is a, because whatever the things happened during the pandemic, we all did our most of our qualifications. Even my MBA, I did my lectures online to Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
So that is also there. Education also will be surviving. So that's
Mm-hmm.
because biomedical engineers, some students might think, after this, should I work in hospital? Should I work in company? Can't I go in the academic side? Yes, you can become a lecturer. You can become a research lecturer. You can go in the research side. You can become a lecturer. You can come into the academics. I say, for certain students who like to learn about academic, they want to go on the research basis. They want to publish research papers. They want to find something new. They don't want to do physical things, but they need to do research and study. They can come to the academic as well. We need a lot of lecturers for biomedical engineering.
Okay, Salim. Okay, so no one lose hope. We hope, right?
We hope.
Okay, now we are coming to the we are going to end these sessions, right? Before in the session, I would like to ask you another question. What's your suggestion, or what would you like to give some a piece of advices for the students, especially our viewers or the biomedical engineering students or the professionals? What are the
Uh,
advices you can give?
my advisors for students: don't lose hope. Get yourself educated. No matter whatever the problem comes, stand still and face it, and believe yourself, believe in your heart, and have a good mindset. When you come to healthcare, Brain should work always, yes, but always believe in your heart because your
Mm-hmm.
heart will be the foundation. And for experienced people who are working in companies, I know inside companies and many places they have politics. They have a lot of internal politics. Okay, one try to gain another. Don't mind about that. Don't even mind what others do. Mind what you do. Always believe what you do. When someone try to drop you down, don't worry. If someone is dropping you down, if they drop you for when they drop you one, when they try to drop you for one step down, don't worry. They are without knowing, without them themselves knowing, they are falling 10 steps down. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you may fall one step down by a tap of their finger, or whatever, but unknowingly they don't know they are falling 10 steps down. So don't lose hope. They always keep focus in what you do, and definitely you will prevail. You will prevail. One day or another day, they will understand you, realize you, they will prevail. There are challenging times, especially people who work in the company. You may not hit your target. You may
Mm-hmm.
not hit your sales target. You may not achieve whatever their company has assigned to you. But remember, not in Sri Lanka especially, not every day is blossom. Okay, not every day you will going to have a hard time. There are days where you will have a very beautiful day. There are days where you will have a tough day, but just move on. Don't be demotivated. The demotivation person has in healthcare, remember, you are going whatever the things you accelerated all this time, you are moving it backwards now.
Mm-hmm.
There will be bad days. So don't lose hope. Not every day also can be a good day, because then you won't have, you will be bored. When every day is happy, you will be bored. Right? You have to have a tough day. Then only your brain will work. You need to have problems. And let's say if any parents are watching this, who will be watching their children, I advise, make sure, irrespective the biomedical engineering or whatever the field your child wishes to study, educate them. Because
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow is that education which will give you hand. Where my mother did that, my mother especially never ever told me, I won't be able to fund your education, you go for a part-time job. She told me, you should never even think of a part-time job, you should study hard. Then I am telling, for anyone who are married and above the same, my wife always encouraged me. And when you ask what made you to think of your, after quitting this healthcare, what was my quitting your healthcare job? What were you, why did you go to the academic side? My wife encouraged me, do something what you studied. Don't make it a waste. I want to become an entrepreneur and just be happy. She said, yes, you can do that. And make useful for the thing what you have educated. Then only I understand. Yes, when you are getting educated, sometimes you feel like you want to quit everything and be just just be the way you want to be. But remember, you are educated. You should make good use of it. So I came to the educational side. For the viewers, I can say, don't never ever lose hope, because health is wealth. Health is wealth. And make yourself benefiting for other person tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, Salim. Thank you so much. And my last request is, would you like to say something for our subscribers who watch this session, and who are the subscribers of our healthcare engineering YouTube channel? What
Yes,
do you
I
think,
would.
and especially what do you think about these kind of interview sessions, interactive sessions with the professionals from the
First of
industry?
all, first of all, I would like to thank Getson for inviting me for this session. It's a
The pleasure
privilege
is mine.
to be here,
Okay.
and he's doing a very phenomenal job. And I've been closely following the education things you're putting in the WhatsApp group. And usually, I also learn few things, many things in it. I should say more than few. I should say many. Certain things, even you may think that you may know everything, but there are certain points where you have skip unknowing. So I have learned
Yes.
that. And especially the subscribers who are supporting you, I will encourage them to keep supporting a person like you, who's dedicating your time, everything for such a this thing, getting all professionals under one umbrella, and putting all knowledge together. I followed, you have got engineers even from India to give interviews. and I have seen your live sessions. It's phenomenal. Where each engineers have their own way of working, own way of
Yes.
experience, own way of knowledge. So when you see other people's experience, you know, it's a thrill more than happiness. Or I can say it's a thrill. You see, it's great to see someone else having a different experience. You will learn. And I would like to thank the subscribers as well for supporting you, and I'll encourage other people also to keep supporting you. And I'm looking forward to have another session another time. I hope I
Definitely,
will.
definitely.
And once I'm also getting once this. We are planning to get the September intake at Esoft.
Hmm.
And due to that, I'll be having a
So
bit a
I
big.
think we will be able to maybe in future we will be able to have another session, or maybe you can introduce your academics about the ESOP and what are the things you guys are going to launch. We
Yes,
can have a
yes.
session, so that
We
will be
can
a
do. Yeah, once
introductory
we,
session for the
yeah,
students
once
who
we
would like to
accept,
join in
yeah.
an institute.
Sure.
Yeah.
Once we started, we can have a session. You can come and have an interview, interaction sessions, and the students and the one. You can have basically you can have ideas how we are doing it. How can you see? You can come and view it, and because end of the day, there are a lot of students seeing your platform daily from your
Mm.
area and everything. And I know this channel has a huge number of subscribers, and
Mm.
they also have a better idea. Especially today, it's not all about stored in the big channels. It's the YouTube channels which are people viewing a lot, and basically it is the next level media compared to the media channels, whatever I'm saying about Shakti or whatever the irrelevant channels we have in the country. People look into a lot of YouTube channels. So this channel has a huge reach, and I'll once we start that, you will have a better idea what the academic background is.
Yeah.
So I'm a person I'll deliver, then I will tell what it is.
Sure.
So we are
Sure.
planning to
Sure.
have a September intake at Esoft at Colombo and Campus,
Sure,
and
man. Yeah.
we are planning to have that. Yeah.
Actually, the reason why we have created this healthcare as a company is just, as you said, we will bring all the professionals under one roof and we will try to share the knowledge. That's our main motto, sharing the knowledge from different healthcare professionals so that the students can gain the knowledge easily and they don't need to make the mistakes whatever we have done, right? So they can
True,
save their time as well.
true. So you know need to do the same thing. Second thing, I would like to just say I forgot for parents. If you are, I know this may sound weird, but for students, your children, you should give them the freedom. I have seen children forcing their parents forcing their children not to play video games, not to be interactive in internet, not to be addicted to this and that. I'll tell. I myself, I'm a professional video game. I'm a gamer.
Yeah.
I have played many tournaments. I have won many medals and all. What I learned about gaming is about how do you achieve things with the limited amount of time given. You were given a particular time. In the particular time, you need to achieve to win. So
Mm.
basically, it played a bigger role to me. But I'm saying just because I'm saying this thing is not in this. I'm not saying for students to say that this particular person said that, so I am playing not like that. You should know. You should have limits in your life. You should uh, limit your things in certain things. Where I have allocated time for certain things, playing, studying like that. So you should not be
Mhm.
totally addicted, and you should not be for parents. You should not totally compress also the children. You should give the freedom as well.
Okay. Okay, Salim. And finally, we are going to end the session. And again, once again, I would like to say a huge thank you for you and especially for
Thank you
your
very
time.
much. Thank you very much
And
for
definitely,
inviting me.
we will be have a good relationship. And
Definitely.
we will do several sessions like this, like knowledge sharing, especially from your academic ideas and all. We will do more future sessions, right? And thank
Will
you
do.
so
Definitely.
much for your time. Let's
Most
end
welcome.
this wonderful session. I hope the viewers will gain so much knowledge from your experiences. Thank you
Yes.
so much,
Thank you.
Salim. Have a good
Yes.
night.
And good night. Take care.
Okay, bye bye.